let's make a homemade McRib. I'm a big fan of them and I want to see if I can make it better myself at home, knowing exactly what goes into it and using better quality ingredients. So for this cook, I'm using a bone and pork shoulder, trim it down a little bit, cut it down into smaller pieces, and then drop it into your food processor. You can also use a meat grinder, anything to cut that pork up. Once it's nicely cut up, season it with salt, little HC Red, and add a little bit of water, which is going to act like a glue to hold it all together. Mix for a few more seconds and your pork paste is ready to go. Take it out and then form it into your patty. Just make sure it's somewhat of an even shape and then pop them in the freezer so they can firm up for about 2 to 3 hours. They're going to hold their shape much better that way. Once out of the freezer, I threw them on the big green egg for about 4 minutes per side, get a little color on them over charcoal, and then glaze with your favorite barbecue sauce. I use Lillies Carolina sauce. Brush on both sides, let that sauce caramelize a little bit, and check this thing out, it looks pretty good. Now it's time to assemble a little toasted French bread. Our pork patty goes on, a little more barbecue sauce, some white onions, some pickles, keeping it traditional McRib style, and our McRib sandwich is ready to go. And I must say, this thing turned out much better than expected. It was super good.